Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your private key on the Phantom Wallet application. So let's get started right away. Now, first of all, open up the Phantom Wallet application on your device. And once you open it up, if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to proceed forward with your social accounts or your recovery phrase. Now, once you log in, you will be taken into your homepage. Now, if you wish to find your private key, also known as your seed phrase, that is used in order to recover your account, then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From here, tap on the pen icon alongside the wallet of which you would like to see the seed phrase. Now, within this page, you will see the show button for both your secret recovery phrase as well as your private key. You can tap on each one of these options to reveal your recovery phrase as well as your private key. You will be shown a warning letting you know that this key should be private and no one else except from you should have access to it. After clicking on the checkbox and clicking on continue, you will now be shown your private key right away. Tap on each of these accounts to see your private key, and you may also copy them into your clipboard to share it right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find your private key on the Phantom Wallet application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.